Alright, I want to show you just a few basic problems that can occur when you're first writing PHP. Some of these might seem simple, but they can be very frustrating if you can't find them. So I'm going to put in my URL for my PHP page. And you might get a error that looks like this, or something that says file not found or 404. One thing to check is to make sure Apache is running. So I'm using XAMPP to start my Apache, so I want to make sure that's started up. Apache has to be running to run your PHP, so that can cause this to occur. Another thing to look for, sounds easy, but check your spelling in your URL, your directories, and your file names. You might have a misspelled word there. Still might get a 404 error, so I'm going to show you one other thing to look for. This one's kind of strange, but it happens quite a bit if you're writing your files in Notepad. So notice here, my file name is display.php. That's what's in my URL. But this is an odd thing that can happen. So I'm using Windows 8. This is File Explorer. I'm going to go to View. Check this box for file name extensions. Notice there's a .txt after my PHP extension. That can happen when you're using Notepad to write your PHP files. So I need to rename that. So now that should be corrected, I'm going to go up here and hit refresh. So now I'm getting a PHP served up, but it has syntax errors in it. So I'm finally getting my page, but it has an error. So it says it's on line 5, so I'm going to go open that PHP file. Notepad doesn't have line numbers, but I can go to View Status Bar, click here. There's line 5. My error is actually the line above it. I forgot my semicolon. So that line 5 usually points you in the right direction, but not always on the exact right line. So I'm going to save my file, hit refresh in my browser. Notice if you have multiple errors, now it looks like I have another error on line 9. So this is how you sort of debug. Go down to line 9. You could have misspelled a keyword or a variable. In this case, I misspelled the keyword echo. Save it. Hit refresh. There's my proper PHP page. So again, just to review some of the things you might look for: make sure Apache's running, make sure everything's spelled correctly up here in the URL, and then of course debugging.